बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? मैं भी ठीक हूँ। पाकिस्तान में बहुत मज़ा कर रहे हैं हम सब। इतनी टाइम के बाद अपनी फैमिली को देखना और उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने का अपना ही मज़ा है। आज के वीडियो में हम सब जाएंगे बफेलो फार्म। इतनी ज़्यादा एनिमल्स है, बफेलोज भी है, काउज भी है, बेबी काउज भी है, गोट्स भी है। सबको हमने टच किया। बहुत फ्रेंडली काउस है। We were not scared. ये बहुत नाइस है। सारा जगह में खाओ हुआ है। ये स्मेली जगह है। People in Pakistan really care for their animals. They love to stroke them and feed them enough food. And we got free milk from there. That's great. I love milk. The milk was very fresh. We never got round to milking them though. But at least looking and touching the cows is fun. I think they were a bit scared and shy because they were wondering, who are these new people? Why are they all around us? And they were very loud as well. Well, we were excited to see cows. They're lovely and gentle animals. Everybody loves cows. They produce lots of food for us. Cows are very gentle and lovely animals, but if you don't know them that well, or you're not nice to them, they can be a bit unnice to you. That's why we didn't milk them, because we didn't want to disturb them. England may be farm here, but you need to pay money to go into that, and I don't think it's fair. But in Pakistan, we can come and see all the buffaloes and animals whenever we like.
Little baby bull right over there, Mom. Yeah, so you can see that massive one by that tree. Yeah? Really big bull. That's their dad. The biggest bull over here is their dad.
My brothers weren't scared at all of their cows. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz. Bye.